so Adam's managed to talk me down to 650 with no wheels. He's got to bring some own wheels because he's a fucking ball breaker. So anyway, it's even cheaper now because yeah, Adam just loves to break my balls. Still a pretty good deal though. I'm still getting more for that shell than I paid for this shell, so it works out pretty well. Just gotta wait for Adam to do a shit. Also, this is Adam's daily. A4 Quattro. Goodbye. It's the broken 14. And soon I have a Cressida as well. So he's bringing these wheels to chuck on the Cressy so he can bring it home because, yeah, I don't know why, but clean RPF ones. I like it. Look at the big old felt, they just go in. Hey Jasper.
What you doing? What's the camera in my face?
Long boy wagon.
So much room.
Fits to fits.
Oh, she started to rust. Oh no.
So when Genius here parked this here last weekend, he put the handbrake on.
Out of habit, because that's normally what you do when you park a vehicle.
Not out here with vehicles that don't move very much. Anyways, needless to say, now it's not going to move.
Because it seized, do you reckon?
Very nice and good.
Do a move.
So now we've got to tow this damn thing into the shed because it won't fucking move.
Because you're afraid not. Gotta go around the fucking something fucking solid. Can't fit through. There. The knot's is large. Go into tight.
Can't you fit it through the tow point?
No. No, because you got this big bad boy in the end of it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, you're right. Yep. I'm still not moving. Whoa! Fuck, I know. Jesus! She was well stuck.
Yeah, we would never move that way.
No. I couldn't, I had the sun visor up because I was a cockhead, and then it let go and the fucking door nearly shut and I couldn't fucking see what was going on.
Adam's done putting his ink guys on this. Beauty! Nice. Looks good except for its monster truck spec. Probably should invest in a battery winch or a powered winch, an electric winch. Mint. Just a bit of a degrease so that Adam doesn't have to try and get his motor out while it's all gross and greasy. Try and clean it up a bit, make it a bit more of a pleasurable experience.
I'm gonna clean it again anyway, but this is the starter clean.
She done. Finito. Sesh. Boy, 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 boy. Series 1 rear end. The Series 2 rear end. They're a little bit different. Yeah, nice. How's that thing, butt? What a bloody beautiful piece of equipment. You gonna pick all that up?
Nah, dog.
Yeah, but how do I prove that it's even here if I can't fucking find the shit, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Have you checked your asshole?
Yeah, I have. Not there. Alright, so we're here at Adam's. The Cressy made it back here, obviously. So yesterday Adam went through and cleaned it all while I was busy out at HQ.
I cleaned the interior. That's about it.
The inside, it's clean as, actually.
Yeah, I spent like a good day cleaning it.
Oh man, it's so clean. He even cleaned all the door jambs and everything.
Went all out. Yeah.
All out. I wish I had one that was this clean.
Yeah, but would you spend an entire day cleaning it though, is the question.
Oh, nah, probably not. That's not my style. So Adam's also got together a fair bit of engine and gearbox stuff for his. What do we got up here, Adam?
R154 with no shifter, so I need to get a shifter. Got a head that's been machined.
A head for what?
Oh, 1JZ.
Ah, so you bought a motor.
I've bought a motor.
Nice, nice.
Nice. So obviously by those covers, it's just the non-VVTi, but just whatever. One less thing to go wrong, basically. I got just the stock loomed, stock turbos. I got standalone loom and Microtech LT16 ECU and igniter. I still got to go pick up the block and like all the rest of the shit, cold side and all that shit.
Manifold and that, yeah.
Manifold and that. But that doesn't matter because by the time you make this video, it will be all here, I guess. I'm assuming.
So what's the plan for the build, mate?
Put the head on the block, put the block hot side, cold side, put in Cressida, ECU, tune, make 400 horsepower, do a burnout.
Do a burnout,
Do a skid.
Skids. 1JZ skids.
Oh, and the gearbox.
Well, it's 1JZ around here, actually. So 1JZ.
JZ?
Z.
Dead.
Z.
Yeah.
Alright.
But yeah, the head's all like machined and new valve stem seals and all that shit. So it's a fresh head. The bottom end's not fresh, but it's got, yeah, it's pretty good.
So how much did all this cost you?
Like the motor box, ECU, like everything, all that shit is $3,000 from a mate.
$3,000.
Yeah, so that's pretty good.
Sesh.
So yeah, we're at $3,650 at this point in time.
So there you go, guys. Adam's at $3,650. So that's Adam's plan, is to go 1JZ non-VVTi with an R154 in the Cressy, and hopefully we're both going to make around the same power and it'll be sick.
Yeah, I agree.
Sick.
Sick.
Alright guys, so obviously gonna keep track of the costs on both builds and keep you updated with exactly how much everything's costing and how much each build is going to cost. I do predict the 1J build is going to be a little bit more expensive just because of the nature of the motor and how much harder it is for parts and that sort of thing. LS is a bit more readily available and parts are cheaper, so that's just my prediction. But yeah, basically race is on.
I'm thinking about like, I'm hoping to keep it under $8,000.
Yeah, I'm hoping to keep mine well under that.
Yeah.
But we'll just have to see how we all go.
Yeah. I feel like mine will be.
That being said, my LS aspirated is going to make like 250 horse-PS, and your 1J is going to make like 400 horse-PS.
Horse-PS. Much horse-PS.
So
Killer wasps.
yeah, by the time mine's actually making like 400 after I maybe eventually turbo it, they'll probably owe us the same, I'd maybe expect.
Yeah. I'm still tossing up if I should put the stock turbos on it and just get it on the road. And then do the turbo later.
Stock turbos are boring.
Yeah, but that's, yeah.
Big single, bag single.
Yeah.